So this is a video, and it's a follow-up of last week's email, and in that video we showed how when they poured concrete with accelerant, it melts pipes. This is the leak detection portion of that video. Remember, this is a crazy job site. It's a lot of noise coming from all sorts of construction being done. It's on the beach in Malibu, so we have the sound of the ocean, and we have a lot of other situations that are going on. Again, they chipped out these walls the first time, so we had them re-pour them. We have everything under pressure, and now we're going to listen with our PoolScope to find and actually hear the leak right through the entombment, because all this plumbing is buried underneath this spa. Check it out. Here's the spa that we came up on, and look at all the demo that they had to do. They had to chip out already to do these repairs. Again, this is a brand new construction, and if you'll notice, these spots is where they chipped out to do repairs because of the leaks that it had. It was still leaking when they pressured it up, so our job is to come in. We're gonna have them pack those walls again, and what we're gonna do is have this thing full so that we could show you our method of listening with the PoolScope and the side mic through the concrete shell itself. Again, now we're filling it up, we're putting it under pressure, we're getting it totally full so those pipes are submerged, and with pressure in the pipe, we're just gonna take our PoolScope and side mic and listen. Again, this is a high noise environment with all the construction that's going on around here, so this is one of the best ways to do it. We get this thing up to 30 pounds. By doing so, it's slowly dropping, and that's what we're actually listening for when we use our PoolScopes and we use our side mics. So that's how we were able to find a leak in this crazy environment with all sorts of loud noises under an entombed spa. It's using the PoolScope with it full, with the pipes under pressure, and that water conducts the sound and transfers those sounds that you need to hear. For more information, visit our website at LeakTronics.com and always check out our YouTube channel.